This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
Guys, today we're going to be talking about an issue that I ran into recently, and it had to do with no crank problem. This is an Audi 2003 Audi Allroad Quattro, and I'm sure this applies to a lot of other Audis too. So it was cranking, there's plenty of fuel, the battery was fine, everything was fine, but the problem was that it just cranking. So I kept looking into what's the possible issue could be. First I replaced this fuel pump relay. It's right underneath the steering here, like right here. So right underneath here. I'm gonna put a picture up. So here is the relay number 372, and it goes down like it's installed like this. It goes upside down like that. So here's its number. But here's the relay, fuel pump relay. I thought this was bad, so I pulled it out and tested it separately, and the relay was fine. I mean, you can just test this with a 9-volt battery. So we tested that, and the relay was fine. Then we looked into the fuel pump. So we checked the power at the fuel pump. So we checked the fuel pump, and so the fuel pump is on the at the passenger side, back seat, underneath the back seat here. You gotta pull out the back seat. You can lift it from the front. You can just lift it from the front by just pulling it, and it just comes off. But here's where the fuel pump is. The problem was the fuel pump. So I replaced the fuel pump, and what I found is when I opened it, the old one, the hose had a crack in it, and it looked like that was the one that's causing the problem. So we replaced the fuel pump with the new one. The no crank problem went away. So I hope this helps somebody out there. Thank you for watching.